What a country, except the word country is spelled with an E at the end. What a country for 200. Popular unrest ousted its president in February 2011, just in time for spring. Popular unrest ousted its president in February 2011, just in time for spring. What a country. It must have an E in it. Egypt. Spring. How would that come into it? Well, let's look. Who said Egypt? Very good. Was there someone else too? What a country. For 600 of the 3 Baltic states, the only one that fits the category. E. Estonia. Very good. How about what a country for 1,000? This African country is about 1 degree north of where its name suggests. Ecuador is not in Africa, though. That's the problem with that. It leaps right out at you. Yeah. I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. Equatorial Guinea. Very good. I'm going to give you half credit. Ancient names for 5,000. This 16th century astrologer seemed to foretell the jousting death of the French king. This 16th century astrologer seemed to foretell the jousting death of the French king.
Jump kick man, the non-complaining witness.
I think that you're right, which is correct. I didn't know about the jousting death of the French king, though, did you? How many heard of that? Okay. How about words for your dog for 1,200? It was a verb meaning to grind into small bits before it was a noun for dog food pellets. What is it? Kibble. Very good. Okay, well, I guessed 2, but... All right, music for 1,200. In 2018, this American Idol winner and country star sang, "You can do a lot to cover stuff up, but you can't cry pretty." Carrie Underwood. Very good. How about music for 2,000? Camila Cabello was born in this city and had a 2017 hit singing, "Half of My Heart Is In It." Yeah. What is it? Okay. Havana, very good. All right.
Hello?
Would you come down, please?
You got it.
Thank you.
Bye.
The building is almost 100 years old. We're going to have our 100th anniversary, I think, the year after next. And then the chair is original equipment and some of the furniture here. And then can you move that? I'll talk more about the building later. And that chair, when there's a break, we're going to move that out of there because I don't think I like it there. Yeah.
Did you fill in the sandwich?
I did. Okay, one of those to each side when there's a break or something. Good morning, everyone, and I'm glad I told you not to come in until 9:45. I did tell you that, didn't I? Oh, okay. All right. No, we were doing some legal stuff, and that happens periodically throughout the trial. and it's nothing exceptional. In fact, it usually ends up saving some time. Assume that a defendant is charged with causing reckless injury to the victim and raises the defense that he was acting in self-defense against someone else and thereby injured the victim. Criminal recklessness requires that the defendant's conduct created, quote, an unreasonable and substantial risk of death or great bodily harm.
This is Gage Groswitz, the individual who is the victim.
Oh shit. They shooting. Oh shit. Oh my god.
Shot him! Get in there! He fucking shot him! He fucking shot him! He fucking shot him!
What a cunt. What a cunt.
Long pants. Excuse me, short pants. Yellow pants man, shoot me nigger, shoot me, fuck you. Mr. Binger makes a big thing out of Kyle Rittenhouse was the only person who shot somebody that evening. True.